It's only been a week. The rush of being home and rapid fading, failing to recall what I was missing all that time in England. It sent me aimlessly on foot or by the help of transportation to knock on windows where my friend no longer lived. I had forgotten. And everywhere I go, there's always something to remind me of another place in time, where love that traveled far had found me. We stayed outside till 2, waiting for the light to come back. We didn't talk, I knew, until you asked what I was thinking. Until you asked what I was thinking. Brave men tell the truth. The wise man's fools are analogies and puzzles. The woman holds her tongue, knowing silence